How can governments fix market failure? Imagine a busy marketplace where everyone is trying to buy and sell, but sometimes things don't work out as they should. That's what we call market failure. It happens when the free market doesn't use resources efficiently, leading to problems like pollution, monopolies, or lack of public goods. In a capitalist system, governments step in to help fix these issues, but how exactly do they do that? Let's break it down. First, markets don't always account for the full costs or benefits of their actions. For example, a factory might pollute the air without paying for the damage. This is called an externality. Governments can set rules called regulations to limit pollution or impose taxes on emissions, making companies pay for the harm they cause. These taxes are called carbon taxes, and they encourage companies to reduce their pollution. Sometimes, markets don't provide enough of certain goods that everyone needs, like roads or schools. This is because these are public goods, which everyone can use without paying directly. Governments can step in and directly build or operate these services to make sure everyone benefits. For example, governments fund national defense and build highways because private companies wouldn't do it profitably. Another issue is when one person or company knows more than others, leading to unfair deals. This is called information asymmetry. Governments can create laws that requiring companies to disclose important information, like safety standards or product ingredients. Consumer protection laws help ensure buyers get honest information and fair treatment. Market power can also become a problem when a few big companies dominate a market, making it hard for new competitors to enter. Governments use antitrust laws to break up monopolies or prevent mergers that would reduce competition. This keeps markets open and encourages innovation. All these actions are based on the idea that markets work best when they are fair and efficient. Governments don't want to replace markets but to fix their flaws. When markets fail, these tools help steer resources toward better outcomes. But, of course, not all government interventions work perfectly. Sometimes they can create new problems or be influenced by special interests. That's why policymakers carefully weigh the benefits and risks before acting. In real life, governments use a mix of these tools depending on the problem. They might impose regulations on factories to reduce pollution, fund public schools, enforce laws to prevent monopolies, or requiring companies to share important information. The key is to identify the specific failure, design policies that address it, and keep checking if they work. This way, markets can do their job better, and society as a whole can benefit from a fairer, more efficient economy.